Now I would invite Ms. Shabana Kosar Jutai. She is Assistant Professor, Institute of Law, University of Sindh, Jamshoro, and the title of her paper is Evolving Case Management System, Technological and Administrative Reforms to Address Judicial Delays in Pakistan.
Bismillah Rahman Rahim. So my topic is evolving case management system, technological and administrative reforms to address the judicial delays in Pakistan. The judicial system of the Pakistan is plagued by the significant delays with over 2.26 million cases pending across the courts and eroding the public trust and the violating constitutional right to timely justice. This research highlights the critical need of reforms in case management focusing on the technological advancement such as the e-courts, AI-driven case management systems, tools, and administrative measures like improved case scheduling and judicial specialization. By addressing these issues, Pakistan's judiciary can expedite case resolution, reduce backlogs, and restore the confidence in legal system. So the current backlog, everyone is aware about it. There is a too much cases which are the pending before the different courts. So we move to the factors contributing to the judicial delays. So now, first of all, case backing, because the case are in huge numbers, so case backing is too much. And secondly, inefficient case management. Poor case management practices includes traditional and ineffective handling of the cases, hinder the quick disposal of the cases, and thirdly, frequent adjournments. Due to the frequent adjournments moved by different ends from one side and another side, it also contribute in the delay. Resource constraint. Insufficient resources including inadequate funding, lack of the infrastructure and shortage of the court staff also contributes to the judicial delay. Uh, Lastly, false and the frivolous cases registration is also a big factor. Corruption and the misconduct of judges and the court staff constitute unethical practices within the judiciary, resulting in the deliberate delay and the manipulation of the judicial process. Now we move to the evolving case management system. So first of all, traditional methods, courts often rely on the physical paper submission and the manual data entry, leading to the inefficient and the delay. Secondly, electronic method. Various projects were initiated to overcome the issue of the delay, including the establishment of the e-courts, court management committees, the implementation of model courts, case flow management system, and introduction of the e-courts automation projects. Technological integration की तरफ हम आते हैं. The appropriate utilization of the technology yields significant improvement in the efficiency of the delivering justice, ensuring high quality transparency and public accountability. So now we comes to the technological reforms. First of all, e-court system. A comprehensive e-court system refers to fully established system of a virtual courts where all necessary functions are conducted online. Secondly, e-filing. If electronic filing, often known as the e-filing, is a method of transmitting legal documents to the courts electronically using online platform. Third one, electronic case tracking. The electronic case tracking system can implemented in provinces of the Pakistan for online record keeping and the virtual courtrooms. The utilization of the virtual courtrooms and video conferencing has a significantly transformed and ease of the cases and expedite the process of the remote hearing. AI driving system. AI-powered legal research. With the AI-powered legal research tools, judges, legal professionals will be able to analyze vast amount of the information swiftly, thus enhancing the decision making. Secondly, enhance transparency. AI-powered tools will not only address case backlog challenges but also enhance transparency, accessibility, and overall efficiency in the legal system. Now we comes to the administrative reforms. Case scheduling and the management. Cases can enter into the software at the start with a unique reference and number consistent across the courts, indicating when and what dispute about. And secondly, the resource allocation. Resource allocation is a key enhancing judicial efficiency. So there should be an integrated system to manage better self-deployment and infrastructure needs and financial resources across all the courts. Thirdly, enhanced training and the capacity building. So regularly training programs should be carried out for the judges and the court staff on the case management and the technological advancement. District Judiciary Watchdogs. District Judiciary Watchdog Centers should be established to oversee the work of judges and court staff to know if they are involved in a corruption. The fifth one, court annexed ADR centers. It is imperative and to incorporate a system of mediation and alternate dispute resolution into our justice system. Bench composition with the judges' specialization. It will effectively work out. Na? Specialization matching cases with the judges who have specialized knowledge in a relevant areas will benefit and significantly improves the efficiency of the judicial system and reduce the delays. And secondly, aligning the cases with the judges' specialization. अगर एक जज की स्पेशलाइजेशन किसी पर्टिकुलर एरिया में अगर सारे केसेस उसके हिसाब से अलाइन कर दिए जाएं, दैट जज विल बी वेल अंडरस्टूड और वो बहुत ज़्यादा जो है इफेक्टिव होगा. विल नॉट ओनली स्पीड अप द केस रेजोल्यूशन बट will also ensure the cases are decided by an expert judge on the subject matter, thereby enhancing the quality of the justice. So these are my survey findings. इसमें show नहीं हो पा रही. Okay, here the survey was conducted, which resultantly participants was 82.5% was lawyers and 10% was judges and 7.5% was paralegal staff. So main causes which they have mentioned, 55% cited multiple factors such as case backlog, adjournments, poor case management and technological reforms जो हमारी थी और उसको जो सपोर्ट किया था वो 72.5% वाज इन फेवर. ई फाइलिंग और एक ई केस मैनेजमेंट के जो है फेवर में थी. एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव रिफॉर्म्स की सपोर्ट में 75% लोगों ने जो है वो टिक किया था. जुडिशल स्पेशलाइजेशन के लिए जो है वो हमें रिजल्ट्स जो 90% मिले थे इन सर्वे. सो आई विल कंक्लूड विद माय प्रेजेंटेशन दैट with these words that the research understood the urgent need for the technological and administrative reforms to address the judicial delays in Pakistan, implementing e-courts, AI-driven case management, enhancing case scheduling and judicial specialization will streamline the process and reduce the backlog. These reforms not only improve the efficiency of the legal system but also restore the public confidence by ensuring timely justice. Policymakers, the judicial authorities must collaborate and implement the reforms to uphold the rule of law and deliver justice efficiently. Thank you very much.